Ready? All righty. I put 30 seconds on the clock. The winner at the end takes first place trophy home with them. Best of luck to you both. And here we go. You're off.
No, you're not.
Hold on.
You got green paper up. Yep, we're good.
All right. Let's try this again. Bill, are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Jerry, are you ready? Kristen, you folks ready? All righty. 30 seconds on the clock. You guys can see everything, right? Let's do this. Go. Kristen, 138.8. Jerry, 137.7.
Whoa!
Kristen, 139.3. 15 seconds.
More.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time. Kristen Nelson's your MSD1 champion today. She gets to take home the big hardware.
Hey, you got it.
Are they switched?
Yeah, what the heck?
Are they? Hold on a second.
No, it's right, yeah. No, you got the name draw.
The names are lined up wrong?
The name draw. Jerry got it.
Hold on a second. Stand by.
He's clamped. She's not.
Now your name is just one.
He's not.
So the scores were backwards.
Scores are back. Names are backwards.
Hold on a second. I don't know what the hell's Term Lab screwed up when I went to brackets, but something's not right. Stand by.
Yeah, scores are right. Names are backwards.
If you foul, you better run a make on that license plate. You could have had a V8 instead of a tray 8 slug to your cranium. I got 6 and I'm aiming up. Pull up bus or keep your guessing, cause fuck you.
I'm going to start this one and then cancel it. Hold on. Kristen. 2 and 1. There we go. Don't. Damn it. Don't do anything.